When you're riding, every piece of gear or maintenance serves a purpose, whether it's safety, reliability, or performance. But not all upgrades are created equally. Knowing where you can save money versus where you should invest more is important. Today we'll talk about where you should look to spend more versus where you can save, and how to think about spending smart and not cheap. So let's dive in and break it down and use real examples from DennisKirk.com. When it comes to helmets, it's not something you can go cheap on, ever. It protects your head, and that's not something you can ever take a gamble on. A smart helmet pick might be the Bell Mag 9, an all-around solid helmet with excellent ventilation and good comfort. It's an excellent entry option. The RPH A91 from HJC is a modular helmet built for commuting, longer trips, and everyday usability. While more expensive, it's worth it for the following reasons. You're getting a lighter shell for reduced neck fatigue, a flip-up modular design for convenient stops, built-in sun visor for changing light conditions. So why is it important to spend on a helmet? It's something you have to wear on every ride, so you might as well make sure it's going to keep you safe and it's something you like. Fit and certification matter far more than the price tag. Better ventilation equals more comfort on long rides. MIPS or similar tech can reduce severe injuries. If you need a cheaper option than these, a basic dot helmet will do the job. Just know you're not going to get the top of the line quality and protection as you would from these, and it's something you're going to have to replace later. Motorcycle comms units, Bluetooth comms, are one of those categories where spending smart will pay off. But there are still affordable options that work really well. The difference here is really about range, clarity, and durability. A smart pick might be the Sena 10S Plus Bluetooth communication system. It has great range, excellent audio clarity, and it has reliable brand reputation. Another option would be the Cardo Spirit Pro Pack Talk Bluetooth system. Again, it has crisp audio, great meshing network, and trusted performance for group rides. If you're riding solo a lot and only need basic phone connectivity, a cheaper unit from either one of these will do as well if you're on a budget. Just know that the budget option from these brands are gonna offer the same stuff, the music streaming, the phone calls, the rider to passenger chat, but the range and clarity is gonna drop off compared to the higher end ones. Cheap versus smart rule here. Spend smart if you ride in groups or tour often. The range and reliability are worth the premium. Save if your use case is mostly solo commuting and you just want basic connectivity. Engine oil and other fluids are one of the most important yet misunderstood areas of maintenance. Cheap oil might save you a few bucks now, but it's going to cost you later in wear, heat control, and other areas. A smart choice might be the Lucas Oil High Performance Synthetic Motorcycle Oil. It's a premium synthetic formulated specifically for motorcycles. There's a better shear stability and protection under load. Another option is the Maximum 4 synthetic blend. It's a proven performance oil often used in racing in high load conditions. It's going to keep engine temps down. If your ride isn't seeing heavy heat or tons of load, you can just go with the standard synthetic blend and it's going to be good for your routine commuting. So cheap versus smart, you should look to spend smart on oils that are specifically for motorcycles, as the heat friction is a little bit different than cars. But you can look to save on other things like transmission lubricants. Those you can find a good option for about 10-15 bucks. Tires are one of those areas where cheap can be dangerous. The right tire is going to change your braking, handling, and confidence on wet surfaces. Some smart picks might be the Dunlop American Elite tire, which is an excellent street touring tire, great on wet or dry, and has longevity. Another option would be the Michelin Commander 2. It's a trusted tire with stable handling and good mileage. A cheap but still smart option would be the Shinko 777 Cruiser Bias tire. So whether you're looking to save money or spend more on the right upgrade, just remember, safety comes first and pick the right tire for your bike. So here's a quick guide on where exactly you should be putting your money. Spend smart on a helmet. Best fit and certification you can afford. Comms if you ride with others often. Quality oil formulated for motorcycles. And performance-oriented tires. You can look to save on basic Bluetooths if you rarely ride with groups. Standard synthetic oils for commuter bikes. Good entry-level bias tires for city riding. So cheap versus smart isn't just price. It's value over time. So while cheap parts might get you by in the short term, smart investments are going to keep you safer, more comfortable, and riding longer. So remember, whether it's your helmet, your comms, your fluid, or your tires, spend where it counts, save where the risk is low, and remember, always ride safe.